Ever get those client requests that make you scratch your head? Like, how do I even begin to automate that in Acumatica?
Oh, yeah, all the time, especially when they want something really specific.
Right. You're trying to balance making it user-friendly, but also, like, actually functional.
Totally. And not break the bank with a ton of custom code.
Exactly. So today we're diving into one of those problems.
Ooh, I love a good challenge. Hit me.
This one comes up a lot around client communication, specifically for outstanding invoices.
Okay. Yeah, that's a classic. Keeping clients in the loop, but also, nudging them along.
Yep. And we've got a really neat solution to unpack. This one comes from Mamta. She's an associate functional consultant over at Tiana Solutions.
Okay, so someone who's in the trenches dealing with this stuff day to day.
Right. And she's got over 13 years of ERP experience, tackled more than 150 Acumatica implementations.
Wow, so she's seen it all.
Pretty much. So here's the specific situation that sparked this solution. Imagine a client comes to you and says, hey, we need a way to automatically notify both the customer and our sales team, if an invoice is still partially unpaid.
Okay, I'm following. Partially unpaid, so not just overdue invoices. Right?
Exactly. It's got to be open, partially paid, and 24 hours have passed since that last payment was applied.
That is pretty specific. I can see how that could easily slip through the cracks with the standard setup.
Totally. They want to keep everyone informed, avoid those awkward, did you get my payment calls, and maybe even speed up those payment cycles a bit.
Makes sense. So how did Mamta tackle this?
Well, she's all about working smarter, not harder, So she starts with a generic inquiry, a GI as we call it.
Yes, GI, so versatile, like building your own little search engine within Acumatica.
Right, so she builds this GI to filter for invoices that meet all those criteria we talked about. Open, partially paid, over a day since payment.
Okay, so she's pinpointing those exact invoices. Then what?
This is where it gets cool. She links this GI to a business event.
Ooh, business events. I'm starting to see where this is going.
Yep. Those are like our automation triggers in Acumatica.
Yeah.
So now whenever that GI finds a matching invoice, boom, business event fires off.
Okay, love it. Automation doing the heavy lifting.
And what does this business event do? It sends an email, of course.
Of course. But I bet this isn't just any old email.
Nope. It's all customized using a special email template that Mamta created. The email includes language about the partial payment being applied, super clear and friendly, And it even attaches the invoice itself for easy reference.
Smart. Everything's right there at their fingertips.
And here's the best part. This email goes to both the customer and the salesperson or whoever owns that invoice internally.
That's brilliant. Everyone's on the same page, no more confusion or finger pointing.
And the beauty of it is, it's all using features built right into Acumatica. No need to go crazy with custom coding or integrations.
That's what I like to hear. Elegant and efficient.
And if you're thinking, man, I wish I had someone like Mamta on my team, well, you're in luck. That's what Tiana Solutions does.
They can help with this kind of automation wizardry.
Oh yeah, they specialize in Acumatica, implementing, customizing, supporting the whole 9 yards.
Yeah.
And they're known for being super affordable too.
That's great to know, especially for folks who might be hesitant to take on a big custom project.
Absolutely. You can reach them at 678-910-2774. Tell them we sent you.
Will do. I'm definitely going to keep them in mind for any tricky Acumatica situations.
So what have we learned today? Sometimes the most elegant solutions are right under our noses.
Yep. Just got to know how to connect the dots. And maybe have a Mamta on speed dial.
Couldn't agree more. And hey, who knows what other clever uses of GIs and business events are out there?
Right. The possibilities are pretty much endless. Now, if you'll excuse me, I'm going to go brainstorm some automations.
I think I will too. Thanks for joining us for this deep dive. Until next time.